Entrusted to the web and computers spread across the planet. Magic internet money. It's called cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Invented in secret, it was a gift to the world. Let's understand, what is Bitcoin? Why does it keep getting more important? How does it mining work? And finally, the dark side of it. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency which was invented in order to transfer money from one party to another party without involving any intermediaries such as banks or financial institutions. Now, since it is decentralized, no one has the authority to control on it, not even central banks and government. As stated in white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto, the hidden inventor of Bitcoin, no one knows him yet. It says Bitcoin is a purely peer-to-peer version of electronic cash that would allow online payments to be sent directly from one to another without getting through any middleman. It has a market cap of 57 trillion, which is insane. Greater than companies like PayPal, McDonald's, Samsung, JP Morgan Chase, Facebook, and of course, it is greater than Russia's monetary base. That makes it the 8th largest currency in the world. Now, a sub to the channel would be great. Now, why it keeps becoming more important? Interestingly, it has limited supply of 21 million, of which 19 million has already been mined, and the rest 2 million is not expected to be mined until the year 2140, which makes it scarce. This is where law of demand and supply comes in. But the demand of Bitcoin is skyrocketing and the supply is limited. Cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, is being considered as safe haven asset against volatility and inflation. And many institutions are adopting it, such as MicroStrategy, Tesla, banks such as Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Chase, and many more. The list keeps on getting added up. Now, interesting fact, did you know that El Salvador, which is a country in Central America, has made Bitcoin its legal tender, which means citizens of El Salvador can now make payments in Bitcoin. It serves same purpose as the US dollar does. How does Bitcoin mining work? Imagine there was a line of 100 people, all holding a Rubik's Cube. The sound begins and everyone tries to solve the Rubik's Cube as quickly as possible. And there someone gets it, they solve the Rubik's Cube and a small piece of gold falls out of it because they were first. Sometimes it's the luckiest person, other times it's the smartest person. But it really doesn't matter because the timer begins to reset and the sound begins to start again. And everyone starts to solve the Rubik's Cube again in search of more gold. Now this is how Bitcoin mining works. Instead of Rubik's Cube, miners have computers that try to solve complex mathematical problems. The first one to solve the problem wins rewards in form of more Bitcoin. And now talking about the dark side of it. One of the main reasons that I think that most people don't get in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies is because of its volatility and unstable movement. Because these currencies are so new that no one knows that how much should they be really worth. Whenever a big glow header comes in, the prices blow up. Second, it's the environment concern. The reason why most cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, are a lot secure because of these transactions being verified many times by many computers. So since many computers are getting involved, there is more computing power used here, which means more generation of electricity and the usage of electricity. Thirdly, because there is no inspection and regulation of these cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, so it makes the perfect currency for criminals to send payments and receive payments. But I would partially disagree here because the address of your wallet is shown when you send and receive payment. That makes it open. But I would rather think that the cash like this has untraceable. No one can trace it when you're exchanging it because it doesn't have any chip or any addresses embedded into it. No one can track you. Now, if rising prices in crypto market have got you thinking that this is too late to invest in, just understand this is just the beginning of cryptocurrency. If you do find this video useful, do consider sharing with your friends and family. Really appreciate it. And for staking cryptocurrency, click here. And to know the best book on money, click here. Until then, my name is Vishal. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next.